Alright, I'm back. I'm going to show one other big tip that is kind of tough to get a hang of, but it's real simple once you do. And when you're using a straight drill, a straight bow like I am, this makes a big difference. And this is how you attach your spindle to your string. Now this is going to be the fireboard side. This will be the side that'll end up going down. And what you do is you place that on the inside, and you like that on the inside of the string, and you twist it around like this. And what that does, it does a couple things. See how that spindle is on the outside of the string, and that way when it's rolling, it's not hitting your bow. It's rolling on the outside of the string. And then one other thing, doing it just like I did there, it puts this string on the bottom side where it's coming towards you. It's on the bottom side, not the top. And that makes a difference because you can, if that string starts to ride up, you can push down with your thumb and really control where that string rides at on the spindle. Seems to make a big difference for me. That way was showed to me, and it sure does help. I think that's a big, when you have this spindle on the inside of the string and you're hitting your bow, it just causes you a lot more problems. So just like that, you want your string on the bottom, your spindle on the outside of the string, just like that, and that's how you want it to go. And then down here, the way I hold the bow with my right hand is I'll put these two fingers between the bow and the string. I'll put these two fingers on the outside of the string, and then you can control your tension by squeezing, and that helps if your string starts getting loose or whatever. And then I'll let my thumb right on the string to help control tension, where you can kind of squeeze that string and make it go tighter. So just like that, and just like that. And that's what works for me and works for the guys that showed it to me. So there it is. Alright, I'm going to use my cottonwood bearing block. And my sycamore and sycamore base, and we'll see if we can't get a coil knocked out. I'll put my left foot right here, kind of underneath the arch, and that'll go right there. I'll bear down with my bearing block right there. So just like that, on the inside, twist it. The bow's set up right now. I've got my bearing block in my hand. That's my cottonwood bark. We'll set this right here. And then another thing is you want to make sure you continue to breathe. This makes it so hard if you forget to breathe. I'm starting to get some smoke. You really just want to go until you get really a whole lot of smoke. And you'll start to see that black dust forming at your notch. You're going to hold your fireboard down as you take your foot off, so you don't I'll take my knife, tap the board to knock that coal from the fireboard so you don't disturb it. And that's another thing that was tough for me, is to realize how long that coal will last. You don't have to get in a big hurry and try to dump it in your tinder bundle within seconds. So I'm just going to put my tinder bundle right here, We'll dump her in there. The jute twine works good for this. Now guys, I just knocked my coal out. I'm gonna make another coal and we'll come back to you. I blew my coal out. Alright, here's my next coal. So, guys, I just thought I'd try to share one of these with you. If you pick up something from it, good. That's what I'm shooting for. So, thanks for watching, and thanks to everybody that's taught me this skill.